Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro's onboarding update. First of all, we are going to see the offer letter that is released for the candidates recently. Next we are going to talk about the phase 2 candidates update, as I regularly get many comments related to the phase 2 candidates update, that when are they going to get the onboarding, and till now they have not even got the PJP mail. So what now, until when can they expect their joining dates? So update for Elite phase 2, we are going to talk about this, so make sure that you watch the video till complete end, as there is going to be a lot of information in this video for you guys. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. You can see that I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as all the latest onboarding updates of every company. So if you have even got selected in any of the other companies, then this channel might be helpful for you, so please subscribe to it. So let's start with our discussion today. So first of all, we are going to see the released offer letter that Wipro has released recently. So this is the offer letter. You can see that it is mentioned that, what if you, dear candidate, what if you could turn your allocation to ambition to action? Let's work on that together with Wipro. At Wipro, we are happy to offer you the position of a scholar trainee work integrated learning program at Wipro. For us at Wipro, success is outcome, and so on. So this is the basically mail offer letter basically the candidates have received. Now in this offer letter is for the Step Plus candidates. So the candidates who had their Step Plus on 5th of December, those candidates have received this offer letter. So it is a good news, like, from the Wipro. So Wipro is not like totally stopped the procedure of giving the hirings and the offer letters and joinings. So you can see that Wipro is continuously making so many efforts to onboard WILP candidates as much as they can, right? And now just they have hold the onboardings for Elite candidates and Turbo candidates, but it is very much sure that from the next upcoming months, that is from the January to April, they will surely give the joinings to the Elite phase 1, phase 2 and the Turbo candidates as well, because at this point of time they do not have much projects, and that is why they are not onboarding the Elite candidates, because you know that Elite candidates mainly gets the development projects in the company, and whereas the WILP candidates mainly gets the support projects. So support projects are like in larger numbers, so that is why they are hiring support WILP candidates at this point of time, and also development projects are not in larger amounts at this point of time. That is why they are delaying their joinings. Now talking about the onboarding update for Elite phase 2. Now many candidates who are from phase 2, they have this doubts that phase 1 candidates have already completed their PJP, but till now we didn't even have our PJP started, right? So what are the next steps, or until when can we expect our joining? Because if the PJP is only not done, then how can we expect our joining in the next months, right? So what we need to do, so for that, so when will the PJP mail starts for the phase 2 candidates? Okay, so first of all, if you have not got your PJP mail yet, please let me know in the comment section, and if anyone has got, please let me know that too. And if you are from phase 2, then only if you have got the PJP mail, please inform us in the comment section, so that it will be helpful for every one of us. So basically, if you have not got the mail for PJP for phase 2, you will get in the January month, most probably Jan or Feb, and once your PJP mail or PJP is done, then you will get your joinings. So phase 1 candidates are expected to get the joining earlier. Why? Because they have already completed their PJP and now they are only waiting for their joinings, whereas the phase 2 candidates have not yet got the PJP started, and so that joining is not yet possible at this point of time. First of all, they need to complete PJP, and then only they can expect their joinings. Now many candidates have this query, that is it possible that the company will onboard phase 2 candidates directly without PJP? As is there any situation, because in the past, like 1%, you can say out of 100%, 1% of the candidates were like these, who were onboarded like directly without the PJP. So is this the possibility in our case also? Now this possibility is always there, but it is very rare, I would say. Company does this thing only in the cases when there is high project demand and they do not have much time for the the candidates to complete PJP. They can't wait this much amount of time. So what they does is they directly gives the joining to the candidates without letting them completing their PJP. But you can see that as this is a high recession and companies delaying from a long time, and we already know that company does not have much projects as of now. So that is why it is very much rare that the company will give you joining without completing your PJP. So I would suggest that your PJP will be in the month of January. If it gets started from the month of January, then it will take approx 2 months to complete your PJP, and after that you can expect your joining letters. So phase 2 candidates can expect their joining letters in the month of March or April maybe. So with this, we have discussed the complete details for phase 2. We have also seen the offer letter for Step Plus candidates that they have recently got. And if you have more such doubts related to Wipro's onboarding, please let me know in the comment section, and I will answer all your queries in the next video. Make sure that you join us on different social media platforms so that you can discuss with the community over there, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates from our channel. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming joinings.